If you're like most companies, one of the biggest challenges you face when it comes to running your business successfully is cash flow management. Typically, when you issue an invoice to a buyer, it can take anywhere from 30 to 60, or in some cases, up to 90 days to get paid. This is called your Days Sales Outstanding, or DSO. Meanwhile, on the payable side, companies have expenses that must be paid in a timely fashion. Expenses such as payroll, rent, equipment leases, and supplies. The amount of time you have to pay these expenses is called your Days Payable Outstanding, or DPO. If every month your receivables are flowing into your business slower than the pace at which your payables are flowing out, your company could find itself in a cash squeeze, which can make for a stressful situation. Growth is inhibited, there's instability, and the long-term viability of your business is at risk. But there's an easy solution from American Express. Unlike most financial institutions, we maintain relationships with both buyers and suppliers. This allows us to affect the entire payment process and work with your team to optimize your cash flow management. We call this the American Express Advantage. To illustrate how it can help, let's use the example of a contracting company with annual revenue of $20 million. Up until recently, they were managing their cash flow in a typical way. They would send an invoice to a buyer, then receive payment anywhere from 30 to 90 days later. On the payable side, they would receive an invoice from their supplier and have to issue payment within 30 days. This limited their days cash on hand. Things changed when they engaged American Express. They started working with our merchant services team and began accepting American Express, which allowed their buyers to pay them sooner, thus reducing their DSO. On the payable side, they started using one of our payment solutions. This meant that they could utilize credit from American Express to issue payment when it was due, and then take advantage of the added billing and grace period that American Express provides to increase their DPO. By working with American Express, the contracting company effectively decreased their DSO, while increasing their DPO, maximizing their total days with cash on hand. Want more ways to enhance your ability to operate your business successfully? American Express can also help your company save on travel and business expenses while earning rewards, streamline accounts payables, receivables, and billing processes, and provide you with insight to support your decision-making. The bottom line? American Express has the ability to create a customized, end-to-end solution that will fit your company's financial needs, objectives, and goals. To learn more, contact your American Express representative.